Or down. Down more. Yeah,
Anything
down
right
to the
there?
left.
There's nothing right there? There you go.
This is good.
Fly! Fly!
Fuck.
What? That's what I was saying to myself. Fuck!
I'm scared.
This is a
Hold
family
on.
restaurant.
Huh?
I want to show you guys how to do this other
How
one.
about I'll do it up here so you use the rope, didn't you?
So yeah,
Yeah.
that inch it in.
Yeah, just grab the rope.
I can reach the rope, yes.
You can't use it. It's seasoned.
Ladies,
Honey.
put your weight on your right foot.
Honey, because your left leg can go up more. Stick your left leg to where your right leg is.
You don't have to move your right leg.
No, you don't. Why?
I said you don't have to.
I know. Just stick your left leg.
Okay, I'm gonna fall.
No, you're not.
I got you.
Okay, I'm coming down.
No, you're not. Just grab the rope.
I can't.
Grab the
not?
yellow. Grab the yellow.
Come on.
Silly, I can't. Coming down.
All right,
Grab
Mike.
the rope and
Mike,
pull
both
yourself
hands on
up.
the right side.
Got me?
Yeah.
Bring your hands lower, Mike, and just loosen up.
Close enough to the top.
Oh no. I didn't try it. It was already tried.
It was what you left for me, freak.
Yeah.
Always let me check it, baby.
Oh, fine. You let me go like that.
I checked you.
Well, this
It's
is
right
right
off.
knot.
It's right off right.
I want to know.
It's the same knot because she just went like
I
this.
know. I just don't want to
No,
take
I
it for
know.
granted.
I understand.